Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I share with you the most innovative and cutting-edge kitchen gadgets. Today, I have a very special product to show you, the ultrasonic knife, a kitchen knife that vibrates 50,000 times per second to make meal prep quick and easy. Let's see how this amazing knife works and what it can do. The ultrasonic knife is not your ordinary kitchen knife. It has a special handle that contains a rechargeable battery, a wireless charging coil, and a titanium ultrasonic transducer. The transducer causes the stainless steel blade to make tiny forward and back movements at a very high frequency, between 40 and 60 kilohertz. This means that the blade vibrates 40,000 to 60,000 times every second, which enhances the cutting properties of the knife to a whole new level. The ultrasonic knife is currently available on Kickstarter, where it has already surpassed its $30,000 goal. You can get your own ultrasonic knife for just $199, which is 50% off the retail price of $399. The rewards are expected to ship in June of next year. If you're interested, you can check out the link in the description below.